Okay, welcome to another quick video on this time storing temporary data in an Alexa skill using Python code. I've got a GitHub on this, which is where this document's coming from, and you may know that you can already store temporary files in an Alexa skill either by using S3 or DynamoDB or session attributes, or for more permanent data use persistent attributes. If you don't want to do any of that, you can just store data in the temp folder. So that's what I'll show you how to do that here. And so this document's the one that's available from the GitHub. And in fact, what you get is you get 500 megabytes of non-persistent data, and you store it in the /temp directory or folder. Okay, so just a quick demonstration of how this might be done. I've already created an Alexa hosted skill. I've called it temp storage. I always like to check the skill invocation name because sometimes this doesn't always change. So it's invoked called temp storage, and we'll look at the code. And I'm just going to change the launch request code here to what I've got in the document. So I'll just copy all this and paste it. Oh, sorry, wrong. Oh yeah, that's it. That's where I want to paste it. And paste it there. And save that. And I'll go through it whilst it's deploying. I'll show you what we're doing. Okay, so this is just in the launch request. So when you launch your skill, what we're going to do is, let's make this a bit larger for you, is open a temporary file for append. So I'm going to use this temp file.txt. I'm going to write something to it. This is how we create and save a file, and I'm going to close it. Then I'm going to read it back. I'm going to open it for reading. Same file for reading. Read the file. Close the file because we've now got it stored in the read file location. And I'm just going to change the speak output to say this is how we create and save a file. No, sorry. Oh, okay. I'm just going to say this is how we create and save a file, and I've modified it, and so that's how we read it back. Okay, so it's deployed. So we should just be able to go and test it. Enable the testing, and open temp storage.
Sorry, I don't know that one.
Can I type it wrong?
This is how we create and save a file, and this is how we read it back.
I typed something wrong up there, that's why it didn't work the first time. Okay, so this is how we create and save a file, and this is how we read it back. So just to take a look at that code again. You can see that this is how we create and save the file, open the file for appending, and stored it away, read it back, and spoke the text. So hope that helps you. Just remember, all you have to do is use the /temp folder to save things in. Okay, hope that helped.